What is up, Drama Alert Nation? I'm your host, FaZe Keemstar. Let's get right into the news. Now, our first story is coming from this iReporter. Yeah, this is about Gold Glove. He said someone just charged back over $1,000 in donations. Literally, want to smack this kid in the mouth. Worst part is, it's someone who pressed me to be on the top donators list. Then Gold Glove responded by someone else on Twitter by saying, fortunately, I'm in a financial situation where it doesn't hurt me. But smaller streamers aren't so fortunate. It's just shitty. After receiving a lot of backlash from the community in defense of the child that charged back the $1,000, Gold Glove said this: deleted my previous tweets because too many people took it the wrong way. Hard to say what you want in 140 characters. And now for our final story. There's not much news today, but this went down today. Believe it or not, Mochila said on Twitter, "Out of here. I'm getting threatened to get kicked out because I jammed a fucking Nerf gun that was already broken. Whatever, I don't care. I'm going back to Texas." What the hell is he talking about? Well then, Kossoff said this: laughing out loud, seeking man, you broke my brand new $50 Nerf gun and you refused to even pay for half of it. You're that guy. It's fine. You do you, Mochila. Mochila responded to Kossoff by saying, yeah, man, I broke it when we all sat here and watched you bash the fucking gun repeatedly. Kossoff responded by saying, somebody comes into my room, picks up my Nerf gun and breaks it, refuses to pay for it, and then cries on Twitter. I mean, really? Come on, man. Mochila responded by saying, because it's sad you are here like, I'm gonna tell Kelb to kick you out of here. Kossoff responded by saying, I made a joke about you moving into his house. You are so emotional. You feel bad. You broke my stuff. That's all. You do you. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it for the news today. Now, last time we did a Drama Alert video, I put out a goal of 10 likes. You guys just barely beat that one. I'm going to put a crazy goal out for you this time. 15 likes. Drama Alert Nation now over 244,000 subscribers. I'm gonna tell Kelb to kick you out of here.